This video will guide you through best practices for reinforcing and padding your dashkin to add strength and to help prevent annoying squeaks and rattles. If your dash has several long cracks or holes, you can add a second tube of silicone to your order at checkout at dashkin.com. Remember, only silicone adhesive is recommended for install, as many adhesives can react with and melt ABS plastic. During your dashkin install, just before applying your glued dashkin to the dash, it's best to apply a bead of extra silicone directly to each crack and outline any holes where there is missing dash material. Leave yourself about an inch gap from where there are openings in the skin to avoid excess squishing out. Then, install the skin while the silicone is still wet so the cracks become glued to the skin once the silicone cures. After your install is cured and finished, cut the black foam pads that were provided with your skin into even square French fries. Normally 4 can be cut per pad. Using a plastic putty knife, gently push the French fries between the windshield and the front edge of the OEM defrost dash panel. This shims the part of the dash that most commonly creates noise. If you have any questions about reinforcement or the install process, call or text our install pros at DashSkin at 918-940-8900.